working for you. This is your Wave 3 weather forecast from meteorologist Brian Goode.
Yeah, don't adjust your TVs here. This is pretty much the same forecast repeating itself once again. Talking about hot weather once again across Kentuckiana. The record today for Louisville is 97 degrees. If we meet or exceed that this afternoon, that will make it the hottest stretch of weather Louisville has seen since 1936. Been a long time. And I think that record is going to be broken because the current number right now in Louisville, it's not far from 97. We're already up to 91 as of 11 o'clock this morning. So we'll easily be at about 97, 98 probably at the next hour or 1 o'clock itself. So that record is about to be shattered here. 88 as you head toward Fort Knox, already in the mid-90s to our west. Evansville is at 96 after hitting 107 there yesterday. The heat index, it's going to be a factor today. It's going to be in the 100s more than likely, probably around 105 to 108. I think it's going to be more of a factor though as we into Saturday and potentially for part of the day on Sunday. So the heat index value is going to keep increasing as we head closer into the weekend as the moisture increases. Right now it feels like 95, which is bad enough. 100 in Jasper and 99 up in Seymour. So the excessive heat warning, it's been in effect for the past couple of days, stays in effect all the way through tomorrow evening. We'll let you know if it gets extended to any portion of Sunday once we get a better handle on storm chances, which we'll talk about in a second. So this afternoon, the excessive heat warning in effect, I think will be right around 100 by 1 o'clock. We'll peak out around 105 this afternoon. There is a chance we could go higher than that. We'll let you know as the afternoon goes on, and then we'll drop off to 101 this evening. So if you're heading to the pool to chill out and relax, keep in mind that pool water is basically bath water at this point, but the UV index is right around 10 to 11 today, so make sure to wear that sunscreen. It'll take just a few minutes for you to get a burn outside. The actual temperature again crossing over that 105 mark. Now, not much moisture in the air today to talk about storm chances. They'll be very isolated if anything does fire. We'll let you know. The most promising chance is up here closer to the Canadian border. There's a cold front that is a game changer for us. It is going to slide down into the Ohio Valleys within the second half of the weekend. At that point, it will drop our temperatures, but as typically the case, when you get this hot and you're going to drop, there could be a give and take here, and we could see some severe weather out of the system. Something to watch carefully for Sunday. Here we go in Futurecast. It points out the idea of a few pop-up storms this afternoon. They'll fade away this evening. A few more could fire up again for Saturday afternoon. Very isolated in nature. They just pop up and fall apart. But as we into Sunday, Futurecast can only go out so far, but it is picking up on the cold front that'll be moving down across central and southern Indiana. And you can see how the storms get better organized. So it'll probably be Sunday afternoon and Sunday night that here in Louisville we'll see a pretty good shot of showers and storms. And again, some severe weather is not out of the question. We're under a slight risk for severe, by the way. All right, this afternoon, excessive heat warning and an air quality alert. In fact, the air quality index is the highest level and most unhealthy level I've seen so far this year, 105 the afternoon high. As we get into tonight, 78, very muggy for tonight. We'll stay around 103, which will be another record as we head into Saturday. We do drop it down. Thanks to those storms, we'll be back into the 80s, it looks like, as we head into a few days next week. But Lori, looks like it's going to be short-lived. It wouldn't surprise me at all to see temperatures back in the 90s as we head toward the next weekend.
Can I just say this is crazy?
It is crazy.
It is. You know, some people are wondering, does this now mean we're going to probably get an early fall?
Ooh, that or a bad winter. We've been having that question asked a lot. You know me, I go straight to the winter. We're actually investigating that right now, so stay tuned for more.
All right. Thank you, Brian. All right.